how to set Do Not Disturb while driving on Samsung phones. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on modes and routines. In here, scroll down and find driving mode. If driving mode is not showing in the list, you can tap on add mode and then choose driving mode. Okay, so because I already have driving mode, I can tap on that. And in here it says choose what this mode does. Tap on stay focused and then tap on do not disturb. Tap on the add button so that we can set up do not disturb. In here, by default, calls and messages are not allowed, and not app notifications are not allowed during driving mode is on. Okay, so to customize calls and messages, you can tap on that. And in here, if you want to add in a particular contact so that they can call you while you are in driving mode, you can do so. So tap on add contacts. And here I will choose an example. This is just a sample contact. So AAA and then tap on done. Okay, so here AAA will be able to call me, or they will be able to text me while I'm driving. So they are the only person at the moment allowed to text or call me. If you want to allow other people as well, you can go down, also allow, and then tap on calls. So for calls, you can set to favorite contacts only, or contacts only, or all. So you can set to favorite contacts only. So all the people in your favorite contacts can call you while you are driving or in driving mode, and other people's won't be able to call you and they will get blocked. Here, you can also turn on repeat callers, allow calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. So you can turn this option on or off. And for messages, at the moment, messages are not allowed while driving mode is on. So you can make the change. So tap on it. And here, again, you can choose contacts only, or only people from your favorite contacts allowed to send you messages while you are driving. And after driving, you should be able to receive it for other people. And that's it. So after that, tap on the back key and then tap on done. And that is how you can set up do not disturb while driving. As for apps, you can also make changes. So you can allow certain apps to send you notifications while driving. So let's say messages. So you want to be able to read messages while driving, you can do so. So tap on done and then tap on the back key. You can also tap on add apps to add other apps in as well. And then tap on the back key. Now here's it, allow selected apps. So you can choose allow all except, or you can choose allow selected apps. Then tap on the back key, tap on done, and then tap on done again to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.